This is some of the damage on a street near where I live, and it's actually going to be a pretty terrible video, just because I don't want people to think I'm being douchey or insensitive. There's a power line and a tree on a car. Gonna get out of this car's way so they don't want to kill me. But this is all that happened today over the hay last yeah. So this is a road that actually leads onto the one I live on, like perpendicularly. Fuck, almost just died and tripped. There's a broken ass power line. Oh, there's what used to be Hubert Road on the floor, and power lines. This power line caught in the tree, and you can see that their house is destroyed, and there's all kinds of emergency people down there, but I don't really want to go that way. I don't want to make anyone angry. But yeah, there's actually really bad damage on the other side past those emergency people. If you go past them and make a right, it's actually just terrible. But yeah. So they say this is cleared. It's all that paint there. They got, people out or whatever. So this is me walking toward my house, and I'm probably gonna crop this film or whatever, so that it's not super long and boring and depressing with all the damage and the destruction. There's someone who won't be playing basketball anytime soon. I would say it belongs to this house, but I honestly don't know. It could come from the house down the street. All this is fucking power line. It's power line. All of it. Right there. Right in the middle of the fucking... Right there. I think that's a cop who's not very happy with what I'm doing, because he flashed his lights, but I don't really know. Their fucking backyard is a wreck. This shit is fucking crazy, you guys. I'm a California girl. I am a California girl. And, oh, now you're looking at my fingers. Sorry. That was my monologue. There's nothing really... See, it's clear. Some branches fucked up, some cords are missing. But yeah, I'm from California. I am a fucking California girl by birth, and I am not. This is not normal for me. Their house is fine. This house is okay. I mean, compared to the fucking train wreck that happened earlier, I think he's gonna tell me to stop filming. No, he's not. Almost. Woo! I just stepped in a giant puddle of mud. Never liked that band. They're okay. That shit got fucked up. Kind of. There's little trees are dead. These these fellow bean fiends here are having a really good day. They have all kinds of work. All of a sudden, just everyone's calling to get their roofs fixed. This is probably like the shittiest video I'll ever watch. But I'm trimming it. I'm gonna crop it or something. It's on my phone, so it's not gonna be like professional grade and shit. But I hope at least that you can hear me. And there are my fingers again. Sorry, guys. But yeah, you know, see, we're going down the road, and these houses are okay. You know, nothing really wrong. Power lines are still alright. And, you know, not too much flooding back here. That's what's across the street. It's empty. Yeah. But, no, the, only damage done to my house, aside from my dog wreaking havoc inside and fucking pissing on everything she could find, is that crooked mailbox. That's what I get. A crooked mailbox.